Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn your iPhone into live microphone using the Microphone Live app. It's super handy if you need to amplify your voice for small events, karaoke or even presentations. First you will want to download the app, just go to the App Store, search for Microphone Live and install it. It's free and easy to use. Once you open the app, it will ask for microphone permissions. Make sure to allow it or it won't work. Next, you will need to connect your iPhone to a speaker. You can do this either with Bluetooth or by using an aux cable. If you are using Bluetooth, pair your phone with the speaker just like you would for playing music. Now here is the fun part. In the app, you will see a big red button. When you tap it, your iPhone start working as a live microphone. Speak into your iPhone and your voice will come through the speaker instantly. If you hear any weird screeching sounds, don't worry, that's a feedback. And it happens when your phone and speaker are too close. Just move them apart and you will be good to go. The app also has a settings section where you can adjust things like volume, pitch, compression, reverb if you want smoother audio. Here you can see this option main mix where you can adjust main microphone sound. If you increase it, it will create more echo. Okay, now click here on store. Here you can see they have some premium features which you can buy, like here to get compression features you have to pay $2.32, and for pitch shift and reverb you will be asked to pay $1.15 and $2.32 respectively. And here you can see here they have given specifications of iPhone microphones, so that way you can use microphone to speak. When you are done, just hit the red button again to stop the music, and that's it. It's simple tool that can make your life easier in so many ways, so go ahead and give it a try.